Workplace safety is much like a quality management system.
Did you know that a workplace safety system is just as robust and structured as a quality management system? Surprising, isn't it? It may be hard to believe, but the only true difference is what each system is trying to prevent. Quality focuses on investigating and preventing defects. Safety focuses on investigating and preventing injuries. Yet, both systems rely on the same foundations: documented procedures, standardized forms, policies, legal and customer requirements, training, inspections, audits. Even internationally recognized ISO standards apply to both. ISO 9001 for quality, ISO 45001 for safety. Let's take a look at a basic diagram that outlines how both systems are built and how they compare. As you can see, both systems start with a policy, the foundational commitment that defines direction and accountability. They require structured documentation, operating procedures, a training plan for personnel, internal audits, and consideration of external audits, whether from customers or government authorities. Like in quality, changes to operations or processes in safety must be measured, analyzed, and reviewed, because those changes can lead to new risks. All these elements, and more, are essential to building a truly effective safety management system. Now, looking at this framework and thinking about how each department is staffed, do you believe workplace safety receives the same resources as quality? It's common to find quality departments made up of a manager, engineers, supervisors, inspectors, and a system administrator. But safety? Often just one or two people. Can you imagine running your quality system with only 2 people? Would 2 people be enough to meet all quality requirements? Probably not. So why is it that even with the same level of structure and responsibility, safety is often expected to be managed with far fewer resources? This is where we begin to see the imbalance. The truth is, safety is often undervalued compared to other departments. And if this comparison still seems like an exaggeration to you, it may simply mean you haven't yet seen the full scope of what a safety system truly involves. But don't worry. We'll cover all of that throughout this course. Now, some may argue, well, we produce thousands of units, and only a few workers might ever get injured. Or, our clients demand detailed inspections, capability studies, and frequent quality audits, so we need a large team. Yes, those are valid points. But let me be clear, the safety department faces the same level of complexity. You can tell a worker exactly what to do. But then come the human factors: distractions from stress, fatigue, forgetfulness, personal struggles, health issues, or even just non-compliance. Unlike machines, which can be adjusted to prevent defects, people are dynamic. You can't reprogram a person, and that makes managing safety even more complex. Let's talk about audits. The quality department is typically audited by customers, internal teams, and ISO entities. Safety? We're audited by federal, state, and local authorities, customers, internal departments, and yes, ISO bodies too. You've probably heard the slogan, "Zero defects." And when that's the goal, companies launch full initiatives, poka-yokes, training programs, equipment upgrades. But what about slogans like "Zero accidents" or "Safe workplace"? What resources are we putting behind those goals? Will we achieve them by chance? By luck? No. Strong safety performance doesn't come from luck. It comes from a disciplined effort in prevention. So the real question is, what are we investing to ensure workplace safety? Because in truth, it takes a lot of time, a lot of commitment, and yes, a lot of resources to build a system that protects your people, even when risks are always present. Believe it, workplace safety requires significant investment, not only in tools and systems, but in people. Most executives, managers, and business owners simply aren't aware of how much is truly required.